Hi guys, I am so excited to share with you. We are now carrying woo mystery dumplings. So exciting. So in case you don't know what they are, I'm going to open one up for you so you can jump on the squishy bandwagon. They are available for purchase on every gift basket. I'm so excited. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm going to open one up. I don't know what it is either. It's a mystery. All right. And if you love them, you can't just go out to the store and go buy them because they are sold out everywhere you go. They are hot, hot, hot. And you don't know what you're gonna get. Is it pink? Is it blue? Is it green? Anything in between. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, the unboxing of our first mystery dumpling. Haha, it's blue. All right, you take it and you squish it. Wait, there's his face. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Dee. All right, I don't know which more fun than unboxing all of them and getting all the different colors, but you can get yours with any gift basket purchase. Design it yourself, giftbaskets.com. Happy squishy, happy shopping.